Hello lovely human, welcome back. If you are new here, I am Rizza and welcome to the vlog. For today, I will be tackling a task that's been nagging me for so many years now. Yes, years. And that's the gym. If you follow me on Instagram, this view might be familiar to you kasi dito ako nag-accountability videos. But friends, look at this kalat. I know. So ever since lumipat kami dito sa bahay na to, we have been here for almost 3 years now. Andito pa yung ibang mga kalat na hindi ko naman kailangan, TBH. And I want to declutter everything and organize everything with you today. This weekend kasi, mapupunta sa akin yung barbell ni Miss O. I'm finally having a barbell. Excited na ako. And I can't do that if there's a mess like this dito sa kwarto. So today, let's go ahead and declutter this. I'm just so excited to finally tackle this thing. Kasi yes, ilang taon na po siya. And I'll do the KonMari method of decluttering things. Obviously, andito naman na lahat ng mga bagay, so hindi ko na siya kailangang ilabas. And we will be having 3 different piles. First pile is for keep, second pile is for donate, third pile is for trash. Excited na ako to do this with you. But for now, here's a very cute bagnet video for you. My sis. Okay. Come on, let's do this. We got this. So this is what we have so far. I know, not a huge improvement, but hey, at least ito cleared out na. Meron na tayong table kung saan pwede nating ipatong yung laptop natin habang nag-workout. Itong huge pile na to are all for donation sa church. Bags, clothes, shoes, tumblers. This one naman for Green Trident, those are bubble wraps, cartons, PET bottles na pwede nilang i-pick up dito sa bahay. And then, this is our keep pile. I know it's still a lot. I know kagulo pa rin siya. Yung ibang mga boxes I plan to put up there para ma-clear na din to. So, good luck to me. Okay. So, we are almost done. Halfway into the thing. Actually, hindi halfway. Parang 1/4 into the thing. Parang, nagsisi ako. Ba't ko ba ito ginawa? But now, it feels so much better. Look at that. Meron na tayong table where we could put our laptops habang nagtitraining with Miss O. And finally, eto na lang. We made it. Almost. Di ba? Kaya natin to. Trash. Tinulungan na tayo ni Kuya Rimar maglaba. So, this is how it looks like now. I know it's still not aesthetically pleasing, but so much better than kanina. Ito naman are for donations pa. So, still have to schedule that for yet again another life admin day. And, yeah, that's it. Hello friends, it is a Monday and it's time to donate the donation pile ng declutter natin dito sa gym. Right now, it's this one, itong pile na to. I will be donating it sa church kasi sakto meron pala silang fundraising and donation drive. So, let's do that right now. Birthday, Mimikers!
Tumula yung mata niya.
Mag-ano na,
Just... Ganito tayo sumaron sa bahay. Ayan. So, ayan, laing. Tilapiyang isa lang. Adobo. Spaghetti. And, syempre, hindi natin makakalimutan ang kanin. Thank you, ma. Thank you, pa.